Hi, today I'm with me Nokia T21 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound section. Here you'll see media, call, ringtone, notifications and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to activate or turn off the Don't Disturb mode, just tap the Don't Disturb mode section and click here to turn it on or turn it off. If you want to allow just calls, messages or notifications from any people, apps or alarms, you should click here, for example, to the people and just select them. If you want to set the schedule, the start and the end time of the Don't Disturb mode, just tap here and here select the start and the end time. Just to change duration for quick settings, click here to the section, and if you want to display options for hidden notifications, you should also just select one from these available options. Let's go back. If you want to change the ringtone for scene 1 or scene 2, you should do it here. To change the media settings to pin media player or show media recommendations, you should click on the switchers. Let's go back. If you want to turn on or turn off the shortcut to private ringing, just tap to the switcher to activate it to turn it off. To change notification and alarm sounds, just we should select this section and switch currently sound to one from the available ones. And in other settings, we can see here the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sound, sounds and touch sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should use these switchers. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Nokia T21. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.